Here are 5 things you must know before you start Ozempic to use it safely, effectively to get the maximum benefit out of it. Ozempic is everywhere, from Hollywood to your local pharmacy. People are using it widely to shed pounds. But before you join the hype, stop. There are 5 critical things you must consider before starting Ozempic, or you could be risking loss of muscle mass, bone mineral density, can affect your metabolism, and can affect your long-term quality and longevity. Hi, my name is Matloob and I'm a pharmacist. I have great passion for health and lifestyle. I am going to go through how to use Ozempic smartly and safely. So point number 1, Ozempic can cause loss of muscle mass, and here is how to prevent it and to decrease the loss of muscle mass. GLP medication like Ozempic suppresses your appetite, which is great for weight loss, but here is the dark side. When you lose weight too fast without enough protein intake or without much resistance training, your body doesn't just burn fat, it burns muscle. In some studies, up to 30 to 40% of the weight lost on GLP-1 medication came from loss of lean muscle mass. So here are a few actions which we can take if you are using Ozempic to decrease the side effect of muscle loss. Eat 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of your target body weight every day. Number 2, incorporate strength training at least up to 3 times a week. Use body composition tracking, not just scale. For example, you are 80 kg and you want to go down to 70 kg. Aim for at least 112 grams of protein daily. Think 2 eggs in the morning, a grilled chicken salad for lunch with Greek yogurt, and a salmon fish for dinner. So point number 2, Ozempic can affect your metabolism. Ozempic can slow down your body's metabolism. Why it happens and how to beat it, let's go through it. When your calorie intake drops, your metabolism tries to protect you by slowing down. This can cause a frustrating plateau or worse, rebound weight gain after stopping Ozempic. Here is the fact: your resting metabolic rate can drop significantly with weight loss. How to counteract this? So a few things which we can do to avoid this. Avoid extreme calorie deficit. Slow and steady win the race. Aim for 0.5 to 1 kilogram per week. Do resistance training. Muscle is metabolically active. Refeed days can help. Strategically increase calories 1 to 2 days a week to keep your metabolism engaged. Point number 3, Ozempic can affect your bone mineral density and can affect your frame. But here are a few things which we can do to protect our frame and to protect our bone mineral density. Few people talk about this. Rapid weight loss and hormonal changes from GLP-1s can reduce bone density, especially in older adults. Here is the fact: bone mineral density may decrease during weight loss, especially without resistance or impact exercise. Protect your bone. That's what we can do to counteract this side effect. Get enough calcium, 1000 to 1200 milligram per day, and vitamin D, 1000 to 2000 units per day. That can help to protect the bones. Also, add weight-bearing activities like walking, squats, and stair climbing. Also, another thing we can do is consider a DEXA scan if you are over 40 or at risk of bone damage. So problem number 4 with Ozempic is gastrointestinal side effect. It can cause really bad nausea and vomiting. Sound very familiar, those who are on Ozempic. 50% of the people always complain about nausea and vomiting related to the Ozempic use. Here is the tip which can help to decrease the side effect. Always try to eat smaller portions and more frequently. Don't skip meals entirely. Avoid greasy, high fatty or high sugar food that worsens the symptom. Stay hydrated, sip water all day. Also, there is lots of evidence to suggest ginger tea or peppermint can naturally soothe the nausea and can be very helpful if you are taking Ozempic. So point number 5, long-term use, think sustainability, do not think quick and easy fix with Ozempic. The biggest mistake thinking Ozempic is a magic solution. It's not. It's a tool, and tools only work with the right strategy. Facts. Here is a fact which I want to share with you. Most people regain weight after stopping Ozempic if they haven't changed their habits. So here are a few important tips which I can give you to get maximum benefit out of it. Try to build habits while you are on Ozempic. Don't wait until after. Focus on your sleep. Try to minimize stress and anxiety level because that can be a big add-on factor for the weight gain. Also, if you want to come off Ozempic, always speak with your healthcare professional. Always try to taper off those slowly rather than stopping suddenly. Here is one of the example of one of my patients. She was on Ozempic for 6 months. After Ozempic, she carried on with her Mediterranean diet and also she was doing her regular morning walks. After stopping medication, she did not just simply stop the medication, she carried on with the lifestyle which really helped her to decrease the weight and also to decrease the side effects related to Ozempic. So let's recap 5 things which we can do to avoid these major side effects related to Ozempic. Try to increase your protein intake and also do strength training. Point number 2, avoid metabolic slowdown by maintaining the same diet and lifestyle when you are on Ozempic. Protect your bone mineral density by increasing intake of calcium and vitamin D intake and also doing some resistance training. Managing gastrointestinal side effects by decreasing the portion of the meals we eat and also drinking plenty of water and also avoiding high fatty diet. Point number 5, plan your life after Ozempic because Ozempic is not a short-term fix, it's a long-term fix, just work with it. If you find this video helpful and find these points can be helpful, please share with somebody who is thinking Ozempic or if somebody is already on Ozempic. Please do share. If you have any further questions related to Ozempic or if you are considering to go start Ozempic, please leave a comment. I will try my best to reply back to you. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.